In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your ExpressVPN activation key. If you're installing ExpressVPN on a laptop, desktop, or certain streaming devices, you may notice that the app asks for an activation key instead of your account password. That's normal. The activation key is a secure code that lets the app sign in without exposing your main login details on that device. Also, this key is not shown inside the mobile app, and it isn't sent by email, so the correct way to get it is through your ExpressVPN account dashboard. To begin, open any web browser on your computer or phone and go to the ExpressVPN sign-in page. Once the page loads, enter your account email address and your master password, then select the Sign In button. If two-factor verification is enabled, ExpressVPN will send a temporary 6-digit code to your email. Open your inbox, find that verification code, enter it on the website, and submit it to continue. This extra step helps protect your account and makes sure only you can access your dashboard. After you've signed in, wait for the main dashboard to load. In the center of the page, look for the section labeled Set Up Your Devices. Inside that area, you'll see a field for your activation code. Depending on how it appears, the code may already be visible, or it may be hidden behind dots. To copy it, click the copy icon next to the code. If needed, you can also click the eye icon to reveal the full code, then manually highlight and copy it. Be careful to copy the entire string exactly as shown, since even one wrong character can prevent the app from accepting it. Now open the ExpressVPN app on the device where you want to sign in. On the opening screen, choose the option that says Sign In with Activation Code. Click into the empty field and paste the code you just copied. On Windows, you can use Ctrl+V, and on Mac, use Command+V, then click Continue. You may now see a few setup options, such as whether ExpressVPN should launch when your computer starts up, or whether you want to share anonymous crash reports. Choose the options you prefer and finish the setup. Once that's done, the app should open in a signed-in state. To make sure everything is working properly, choose a server location in the app and click the main power button to connect. Wait a few seconds until the app shows a green connected status, then open a private or incognito browser window. Visit the ExpressVPN IP check page and confirm that the IP address and country shown match the server location